Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Let me silence my phone because I already know people about to hit me up. I already know. Hey guys, it's Serena. And for today's video, I filmed a really spontaneous one. I wasn't really planning on doing any kind of look at all, but I just kind of came up with this because I'm about to go out with one of my friends and I wore a green shirt today. So I was like, might as well match the shirt with my makeup. You feel? You will. But anyway, I just created this green, like emerald green, like olive green, I don't know how to describe it, smoky eye with some brown and greens. I used the Morphe 3502 palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So two Morphe palettes. They are affordable in price. You can get them at Ulta and stuff, and a lot of people have these palettes, so I was like, why not use them? But I created this really pretty green smoky eye, and I also featured in this video the NYX Lingerie new lip glosses. These are super good, you guys. Absolutely love them. I bought two of them, but I only tried out one in this video, so if you guys want me to test out the other one, the formula is great, but just different colors. But yeah, you guys, look turned out super cute. I absolutely love the way it turned out, obviously. But yeah, guys, without rambling on, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post a video. And also be sure to follow me on all my social media sites: Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Snapchat, Spotify will all be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. And without rambling on any further, let's just get started with this tutorial. Alright y'all, so getting right into this makeup tutorial, I already have one eye done as per usual. So I'm going to be hopping into my Morphe 3502 palette and taking that brown shade right in the corner in the second row and putting it in my crease as a transition. I don't have the paper with all the names on it, so I just pointed to the colors. So I hope that, you know, helps somewhat. Then I'm taking this shade right here in the third row and I'm just putting it all in my crease again just to deepen it up. Then I'm taking that brown shade and putting it on my outer and inner corners to make it deeper as well. Just basically blending all these brown shades together to get a nice brown base for our green. Then I'm hopping into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm taking that green shade, like the dark green at the bottom, and putting it all over my lid. I'm kind of tapping it at first to get the pigment, and then I'm putting more on and blending it into my crease. And I'm also going to be taking a blending brush and blending it in my crease as well, just to make it nice and blended with all the other brown shades. I'm taking my NYX liner in the shade Black, just a liquid matte liner, and I'm taking it and making a wing on my upper lash line. You guys can make it as thick or thin as you want, but I'm just going to be drawing a wing. Then I'm taking the Maybelline and Shayla collab, the Colossal Big Shot Mascara, and coating my lashes, and then I put on some Beso Lashes by Blossie. They are my faves, you guys. Absolutely love them. They're amazing. So that's it for the eyes. Now onto the face. I'm taking my Too Faced Hangover RX primer and just priming my skin with that. Then I'm taking the Becca like pore filling primer and I'm putting that on the places I want to be matte. So like my nose, forehead, upper lip, chin, places like that. Then I'm taking my Makeup Forever HD foundation. I will have all shades and everything down below, but I'm just taking that and I'm going to be putting it all over my face, and I'm blending it, or actually before I blend it, I'm taking it and putting it above my eyebrows and carving them out. This is a trick I like to do just because, you know, it makes them look better than just being like empty right there, if you know what I'm saying. But I carve out my brows on the top, and then I'm taking my Sigma Kabuki brush. This is the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. I got this in PR. It's so good, you guys. I absolutely love it. You guys can use my discount code Serena Nicole to save money on your Sigma purchases, but I definitely love blending my foundation with a brush nowadays. I go over it after with a beauty blender just to make sure there's no like creases or anything, but I love using this brush, you guys. It's amazing. I'm taking two concealers. I'm taking the Born This Way by Too Faced, and I'm also taking the Colourpop one just to, you know, brighten up my face or whatever. Highlighting, you guys know the drill. Wherever I highlight, y'all already know. I'm setting my face with the Too Faced Born This Way powder in all the places that I use that concealer. You guys already know the drill. I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way bronzer. You guys, is my favorite bronzer. If you guys have any other bronzer recommendations you guys want me to try out, let me know. I've been wanting to try out the ABH one as well, but just let me know some of your guys' favorite bronzers down below. I'm taking my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. It's kind of a deeper contour for me. I'm just taking that all in the same places I bronze just to deepen it up a bit. Then I'm taking my Milani Color Harmony Blush Trio, and I'm putting that on my cheeks. Then I'm just carving out my cheekbones with some powder, just making it sharp or whatever. And since my face is really powdery right now, I'm taking the badescu Rose Water and spraying my face before my highlight. And for my highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. You guys, this is so inexpensive and it's so good, you guys. It's shining for the summer or whatever, so I definitely recommend you guys cop it. Then on top, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in the style or shade, I forgot the name, oh my god, hold up. Oh, okay, got him. It's in the shade Trophy Wife. I had to check real quick. I'm just putting a little bit, tapping it on there and blending out with a fluffy brush, and y'all, it is so cute, so cute. So now for the lower lash line, taking those same brown shades I used in my crease and just putting them down there. Not that, you know, difficult to explain, but just using those same colors down there on my lower lash line. Then I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking that like shimmery green shade and putting it in my inner corners. And then I'm taking the Master Chrome by Maybelline highlight and putting it on top to make it a little bit lighter. Then another trick I like to do, I'm taking my Abh Dip Brow in the shade Ebony and putting it on my lower waterline just to make it a little bit dark down there and make my eyes look more sultry. This is a trick I like to do when I don't want to use eyeliner. So if you guys want to do this trick, help yourself. Then I'm just fixing up my brows and putting on some clear brow gel by e.l.f. Y'all, this is the shit. I love it. It's only $2. Cop it also. Then for my lips, I'm taking the NYX lip liner in the shade Brown and just lining them and filling them in with that. Then I'm taking my MAC lipstick in the shade A Girl's Got Needs and putting that all over and blending it in. Then I'm taking my NYX Lingerie lip gloss, the new ones. You guys, I absolutely love them. They're such a good formula and really glossy and not sticky at all. And I'm taking this one in the shade Sable, you guys. These are so good. I definitely recommend you guys get them. Then to finish off my look, I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus and just spraying it all over my face and fanning it off. And the look is complete, you guys. Alright guys, so that's the end of this kind of greenish brown smoky eye tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you guys do decide to recreate this look, be sure to tag me on Instagram, send me your snaps, tweet me, whatever you guys want to do, let me know because I would love to see if you recreate this look. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click those bell notification buttons to be notified every time I post a video, as well as follow me on all my social media sites. You guys know the drill. They will all be linked down below, as well as the end card of this video. I love you all all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.
That way. Have you ever made love?